This is an important problem for 3 marks. Now here also we use some extra information to get the equation of the line. So pay attention now. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 in the ratio 1:1. A line is, can add this, a line is perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of this line. There is a line segment. A line segment means a portion of a line. And this portion is obtained by joining which 2 points? 1, 0 and 2, 3. And there is another line perpendicular to this line segment. And this perpendicular line divides this line segment in the ratio 1:4. Let us say this is P, this is Q, and this is R. There is a line which is perpendicular to the line segment such that the line segment PQ is divided by the point R in the ratio 1:10. Now we have to find the equation of this line. This is the required line. This is not the required line. Why? Because if this were to be the required line, one would have easily found by using 2-point formula. So you want to find the equation of this line which is perpendicular to the line segment, dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:10. So what are the 2 characteristics of the required line? Number 1, it is perpendicular to the line segment, or it is perpendicular to the line joining 1, 0 and 2, 3. So you can take the slope and take the negative reciprocal, so you get the slope of the required line. Point number 2, you want to find the point on the line because we need slope and 1 point. Now since the ratio is given, we use section formula to find the coordinates of R. The section formula is if x1 y1, x2 y2. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 is divided by R in the ratio m:n, then R is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Do you know this formula? This is section formula. This is the formula to find the coordinates of the point of a division of a line in a given ratio. What is the ratio given here? 1:n. So m::n becomes 1:n, and x1 y1 can be taken as 1, 0, x2 y2 is taken as 2, 3. Okay, so you write now. Let the line segment PQ be divided by the point R. By the point R. In what ratio? In the ratio 1:n. Then this implies R is equal to, I have already written the formula here. M, how much is M? M is 1. X2. You see here, get the value of x2. How much is x2? 2. Plus n. What is the value of n? N is n only. N into x1. What is the value of x1? 1. Can you see that? What is the value of x1? 1. Divided by 1 plus n, comma, m by 2. M is 1. What is the value of y2? 3. Plus n is n only. What is the value of y1? 0. Divided by 1 plus n. So this is 2 plus n by 1 plus n, comma, 3 by 1 plus n. Okay. So now slope of required line, slope of RL, RL stands for required line, is equals negative reciprocal of the slope of the line segment. Did you understand the statement? The slope of required line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of line segment. So you now take slope of line segment. Slope of line segment. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. This implies slope of required line. Slope of required line is how much? How much? 3 by 1. That is nothing but 3. So what is slope of required line? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. So we got the slope of the required line and we got 1 point also. Now we shall find the equation. Okay. Now, point on the line. What is the point on the line? 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n divided by comma 3 by 1 plus n. Since the ratio is given as 1:n, if they had given some value for n, you could have substituted here and got the value in terms of numbers. Otherwise, you have to retain in terms of n only. Okay, then slope of the line equals minus 1 by 3. Slope of the line is 1 by 3. So what formula you use? Using y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. This implies y minus of 3 by 1 plus n equals minus 1 by 3 into x minus of x1. That is 2 plus n by 1 plus n, which is the equation of the required line. You can stop at this stage. Further simplification is not required. Once you interpret the equation in the form, you will get the marks. So this is the equation of the required line. So what is this problem is? In this problem, you find out the coordinates of the line by using section formula, and you will take the slope of the required line as the negative reciprocal of the line segment, and you will use slope at 1 point.